welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'm going to be using my mini blower with my nozzle attachments. I do have all of them here that I'll be using. I use the middle one the most just because it's the most powerful. It seems to concentrate the air a little bit better. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use today. And really quick, I am going to level my canvas, or make sure my canvas is leveled. So let me grab my handy dandy level here and move some of this stuff really quick. And then we'll get to the colors here in a second. So what I use, if you guys are new or not new, have been doing it a while, and you have had some of your canvases, maybe you did a gorgeous painting and you left and you came back a little later and your paint slid right off the side of your canvas. Well, I wish I would have had those when I was first starting out. I used push pins and they were okay, but sometimes like your push pins would go in a little bit, so it still wasn't really that great. So what I have, let me show you just the one here. These are my canvas levelers that I have designed myself and created, and they are available in my Etsy shop. They come in a set of 4, so one for each corner. And they're super easy. They just turn and you can level them to however height you need. And what I do, mine are a little dirty right now, but I cover mine in Glad Press and Seal, and it helps keep them clean. You can wash them with soap and water, super easy that way also. But what I do is I take my level and I just set it on each end, and then you can tell, get right down in there, and then you just turn it while the level is on there, or if you don't feel like it, you can take it off. It's easy. It's easier for me to do it this way, and then you just can watch the bubble to see until it's level. It's pretty easy. So let me check the other side really quick. This one just needs to go just a touch. It doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle. I'm kind of picky where I like mine perfectly in the middle. So that one's good. And then of course I always go down the center like that. And that's perfect actually. All right, so now we're good. This will save you from a beautiful painting getting ruined. And again, they're available in my Etsy shop. The link is in my description. You can check out all of my acrylic pouring tools there besides my canvas levelers, also my nozzle attachments too. Some pretty cool stuff in there. So if you haven't checked it out before, now would be a great time to go do that. Well, after the video. Do it after the video. All right, so let me get into the colors. The first color, let me just show it to you. It's so pretty. It's like a seafoam green. Really pretty. I don't even know the name of it. Let me see. Oh, it's called marine green. So I took some of that and I mixed in Vallejo Pearl Medium, and it is beautiful, beautiful, shimmery green. I love it. Love it, love it. All right, and there's some air bubbles. I mixed it earlier. Ugh, hopefully some of them got out of there, but that's what the torch is for. Get some of those air bubbles out. And the next color is one of my favorite blues, Mineral Blue from Soho. Love, love, love that blue. And then I've got some DecoArt Enchanted colors. Let's see, I'm using the Enchanted Blue, the Enchanted Gold, and then, excuse me, the Enchanted Shimmer White. And that is it as far as the colors. So I am going to get my gloves on, and then I'm going to get this canvas coated. right, so I have got my mini blower with my attachment like I showed you earlier. I'm starting with this middle-sized one. All right, and here we go. Here with my torch, and I'm pretty happy with how this is looking so far. I really don't want to touch this part up here because I really love how that looks. I like everything. So make sure that you guys stay till the end to see how it dries, because this white through the middle is gold. You can sort of see some of the gold. I'll give you some close-ups here in a minute also, but it's blue, and it's also the shimmer white, but the enchanted gold and the enchanted blue. So hopefully the enchanted blue will show up a little bit more when it's dry, but so far I am really loving it. So all right, I will see you guys when the painting is dry. Alright everybody, here we go with the dried results, and I absolutely love how this dried. It is gorgeous. The colors just work so well together, and those enchanted paints dried beautifully. The blue is so nice and soft, and that gold just enhances the painting perfectly. And there is some nice shimmer in there from that white shimmer. So all in all, I love this. I would love to hear what you guys think, so make sure to leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also to share this video if you think someone may enjoy it. It really does help me out, and I appreciate it more than you know. Alright guys, if you're interested in the nozzle attachments you saw me use in today's video, they are available at acrylicpouringtools.com, along with all of my other acrylic pouring tools. And I do hope you enjoyed my video today. I have a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.